Do you need some extra cash right now? Whether it's for unexpected bills, a fun purchase, or just to save up, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 ways to make money fast. So stick around and let's get started. Also check the description of this video for wealth music and forex signals. Sell items you no longer need. Look around your home and identify things that you don't use or need anymore. Clothes, electronics, and furniture are popular items that you can sell online through platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or even your local classifieds. Offer your services online. If you have a skill or talent, you can offer your services online through websites like Fiverr or Upwork. Whether it's graphic design, writing, or social media management, there are countless opportunities to earn money from your skills. Participate in paid surveys. Many companies are willing to pay for your opinions on their products and services. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research offer paid surveys that you can take from the comfort of your own home. Do odd jobs for others. Look for people in your community who need help with odd jobs like lawn care, cleaning, or running errands. You can advertise your services on social media, local classifieds, or through word of mouth. Sell your photos online. If you have a talent for photography, you can sell your photos online through stock photography websites like Shutterstock or iStock. This can be a great way to earn passive income from your hobby. So there you have it, 5 ways to make money fast. Remember, these methods may not make you rich overnight, but they can certainly help you earn some extra cash quickly. Which of these methods do you plan to try out? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.